Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Dimas Anahla from TM4. Today I will present about my argument about the impact of excessive smartphone use on teenagers. Next to introduction, the development of digital technology has brought many benefits to human life, especially in communication, education, and access to information. One of the most widely used devices is the smartphone. However, excessive smartphone use among teenagers is beginning to rise serious concern. Many teenagers spend most of their time on their phone to use social media, watch video, or play game. I agree that the government should address smartphone addiction among teenagers as a public health crisis because this condition can trigger addiction that affect mental health, sleep quality, and learning ability. Next, my recommend one. Smartphone addiction among teenagers has become a very widespread and concerning phenomenon. Various surveys show that the majority of teenagers have full access to smartphone and use them for hours every day. Research indicates that about 95% of teenagers aged 13 until 17 on a smartphone, and more than 50% of teenagers spend over 4 hours per day in front screens outside of school purpose. This high number indicates that phone use is no longer merely a tool for communication or entertainment, but has developed into a habit that is difficult to control. Next, my second argument. Smartphone addiction among teenagers has become a very widespread and concerning phenomenon. Various studies show that most teenagers have full access to smartphone and use them for quite a long time each day. According to a Pew Research Center survey, about 90% of teenagers aged 13 until 17 on a smartphone. In fact, around 70% of teenagers admit to feeling addicted to smartphone, indicating that the use of this device has exceeded normal usage limits. This high figure indicates that smartphone has become a very dominant part of teenagers' life. Next, my argument 3. On average, teenagers spend more than 7 hours a day using screens, which can reduce time for studying, exercising, or interacting directly with family and friends. Using phone at night also often causes sleep disturbance due to screen light exposure and the habit of using social media late into the night. A survey also showed that around 66% of teenagers experience difficulty concentrating as a result of excessive screen use. If this condition continues, it can affect academic performance as well as teenagers' social skill in the long term. Next, my conclusion. Overall, excessive smartphone use among teenagers has become an increasingly serious problem. The high level of smartphone addiction show that many teenagers spend a very large amount of time with digital device. The condition not only affect daily habit but also impact mental health, sleep quality, study concentration, and their social development. Therefore, it is important for society, parents, and the government to raise awareness and take appropriate measures to reduce the negative impact of smartphone use on teenagers, so that their well-being can be maintained. Thank you for attention. For my argument, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.